Come running to me. Here's the melody I want to say. I'm busy 24 hours a day. I fix broken hearts. I know that I'm doing care. Then, come on. Yeah. Come on. They come running to me. Here is the melody I want to sing. I'm busy 24 hours a day. I fix broken hearts. Baby, I'm your handyman. Hindi ko alam yan. Bay, kanta bay. Come on. Question mark mo. Come on. Naglalasing, oh. Yeah. That's me. Come on. Len, enjoy your life. Twist. Palungkot. That's me. Come on. Tumgame, brad. Tumgame. Kanina yan. Ikaw pa magtanggeron eh. Ikaw tagindurot pwede.
Paborito ko pa eh.
Wow. Facebook yan. Ikaw yung Facebook. Tumgame. Tequila yan, oh.
Isang gabi lang pinasagot sa iyo ba? Kayawan. Yeah.
Hindi ko ka.
8476. 001. 8474.
Kuya-yari pa kayo.
Lady in red talagang.
Pinasagot ko ba ba? Isang
Hindi naman posible. Oh, sige na. Kantay mo na. Isang gabi lang eh. Isang oras lang.
Ano kanta yan?
Citizen tonight, I've never seen you shine so bright.
Papel na kayo man, yung papel na. Flower.
Kanta ka nun?
Never seen so many and I should run. Dance, they're looking for the romance.
Sige, dyan mag-ilan eh.
Something no way.
I've never said that we should worry into the light.
Highlights in your life, let's get to life. Ako eh.
Hindi pala yun ang konti.
Pero, wala akong tigil sa... It's just you and me. I wanna be. Hindi ko alam. I don't know.
Kanta mo din.
Let's go by my side. Lady in blue. The way you look. Bigyan mo kay Eric. Pakantay mo si Eric. Hindi ko makanta yan. Kantayin mo. Naka-video ka. Kantayin mo. Naka-ano ka na. Naka-shot ka na eh. Kanina eh.
That's good.
Ito. Ano muna tayo? Yung ano? Yung alam natin. First floor. Sino na tayo?
Ay, Tagalog muna. Ha?
Ikaw muna.
Tapos na ako kasi
Tagalog.
Tagalog muna.
First floor, yun.
Forever. Ano? Yan. Sino kumanta yan?
Jun, kanta mo na.
Function ito, function.
Tapos na
Function.
ako. Good shot.
Bye. Tayo.